What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Clash Royale on PC in 2025. The easiest and most updated way to enjoy your favorite mobile strategy game on a bigger screen. Whether you want smoother gameplay, better controls, or just a more comfortable experience, this guide will walk you through every step so you can start battling right away. First is in your browser, search for the Google Plays and download it. Go to your File Explorer, right-click the app and click Run as administrator. Click Sign In and sign in for an account. Next is click Create Profile. Click Accept, click Finish. In the search bar, search Clash Royale and click the game. Click the Add button and finally click Play. And that's how you can play Clash Royale on PC in 2025. Super easy, right? Now you can enjoy all your matches with better graphics and precision. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more helpful gaming guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Clash on and keep pushing those trophies.